How much should you actually spend on a robot vacuum? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1. Ropvacnic S1. Let me introduce you to the Ropvacnic Robot Vacuum Cleaner S1. Priced at just $109.99, this vacuum caught my attention with its impressive 5200 PA suction power and its ability to mop at the same time. If you want a versatile cleaning companion that doesn't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. This vacuum is designed for hardwood floors and low-pile carpets, making it perfect for most homes. Its 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming feature means you can tackle both dirt and spills without lifting a finger. The intelligent auto-docking and advanced obstacle avoidance allow it to maneuver around your home seamlessly, reducing the chances of it getting stuck or missing spots. Plus, with app and voice control, you can schedule cleanings on the go, which is super convenient. Now, some people complained about the noise level during operation. Here's the thing though, it's a vacuum, so a bit of noise is expected. If you're looking for quiet cleaning, this might not be the best fit. But if you want great cleaning power at a low price, it's still a solid option. This is perfect for you if you're budget conscious but still want a smart cleaning solution. Skip this one if you prefer premium features and quiet operation. For the price, it offers great value for money. Now, if the Ropvacnic's noise issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2. iRobot Roomba 105X. The iRobot Roomba 105X, retailing at $249. What really stood out to me is its smart LiDAR mapping technology and 70x powerlifting suction. If you want a robot vacuum that intelligently navigates and cleans your home, this is worth a serious look. This vacuum excels at tackling dirt and pet hair with its powerful suction, ensuring that your floors are not just tidy, but truly clean. The custom room cleaning feature allows you to target specific areas, and the LiDAR mapping ensures it doesn't miss a spot. Plus, the automatic recharge feature means it can keep going until the job is done, which is a huge plus. However, some users reported that the setup process can be a bit complicated. But honestly, once you get through that initial hurdle, the ease of operation and effectiveness of cleaning make it worthwhile. If you're tech-savvy or willing to follow the instructions, you'll love this vacuum. This is perfect for you if you want effective and intelligent cleaning tailored to your home. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with tech or prefer something more straightforward. For the features you get, it's reasonably priced. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for homes with pets. Product number 3. Shark AV2501S AI Ultra. Let's talk about the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra, priced at $459.99. This one really impressed me with its self-emptying base and advanced mapping technology. If you want a high-end robot vacuum that requires minimal maintenance, this is worth a serious look. The self-emptying feature is a game changer, holding up to 30 days of dirt and debris. This means you don't have to think about vacuuming for a month. Its matrix clean navigation ensures precise coverage, capturing every speck of dirt and pet hair. Plus, with its HEPA filtration, it traps allergens, making it a great choice for allergy sufferers. However, it is on the pricier side, and some people might find it hard to justify that cost. But here's the thing. If you have pets or a larger space that needs frequent cleaning, the investment can save you time and hassle in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want a high-tech, low-maintenance cleaning solution. Skip this one if you're looking for something budget-friendly or simpler. For the convenience it offers, it's a worthy investment. Now, if the price of the Shark bothered you, the next one offers a fantastic balance of features and cost. Product number 4. Shark Matrix Clean. We've got the Shark Matrix Clean, which comes in at $418. This vacuum caught my eye with its self-cleaning capabilities and powerful suction. If you need something that handles pet hair and dirt efficiently, this is worth a serious look. The Matrix Clean technology ensures it covers every area multiple times, making sure no dirt is left behind. Plus, it has a self-emptying feature that holds up to 60 days of debris. So if you're busy and want to forget about cleaning for a while, this is a great option. Its powerful suction is designed for various surfaces, making it versatile for homes with both carpets and hard floors. That said, some reviews mention that the app connectivity can be finicky at times. Now, I'll be real with you. If you're not tech-savvy, this could be a bit frustrating. But if you're patient and enjoy smart home devices, it's a small price to pay for the overall performance.
This is perfect for you if you have pets and need something that handles fur with ease. Skip this one if you want a hassle-free gadget that doesn't require any tech setup. It's a solid value considering its features. Alright, that was a strong contender, but let's finish up with something that really packs a punch in suction power.
Product number 5, Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2. Priced at $384.99. This one genuinely surprised me with its incredible 25,000 PA suction power and automated cleaning dock. If you're looking for something that delivers deep cleaning without constant supervision, this is worth a serious look. With features like a duo scrub mopping system and precise obstacle avoidance, this vacuum goes above and beyond. It can handle various surfaces with ease. The self-emptying dock means less manual maintenance for you, and the app control is super user-friendly. It even has off-peak charging to save on energy costs, which is a neat touch. However, some users mention the battery life could be longer on higher suction settings. Here's the thing, if you have a larger space, you might find it needing a recharge mid-clean. But for regular-sized homes, it should do the job just fine. This is perfect for you if you want powerful cleaning with minimal effort. Skip this one if you have a very large home and need continuous cleaning without interruptions. For its capabilities, the price is quite reasonable.
We've looked at the Ropvacnic S1 for budget-friendly cleaning, the iRobot Roomba 105X for smart navigation, the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra for hands-free maintenance, the Shark Matrix Clean for pet hair, and the Dreame L40 for powerful suction. Each has its strengths, so it really comes down to your specific cleaning needs. Choose wisely, and your cleaning routine will become a breeze.